How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and we're just gonna kick it off right now with a new keyboard build. So this is gonna be my daily driver until I basically build another keyboard myself. Today we're gonna be reviewing and building out the CK820, and this is by MXR Keys, and I purchased this off of whatgeek.com. It's a 75% keyboard, fully aluminum case, and it comes with a few normal accessories as you would imagine. The little USB port to connect it to your computer so you can do wireless. It also has Bluetooth, but also comes with two little pucks for raising the back, keycaps and switch remover, as well as some extra screws. Now, for an extra $25, you can get their gasket kit, which basically comes with a few different parts. So instead of the polycarbonate plate that it comes with stock, you can get an FR plate. It also comes with pour-on foam instead of the standard foam that it comes in the box. Now, building out this keyboard was not too bad. I decided to basically go and build it out stock first, just to kind of see what it sounded like. So taking everything apart, it's not too bad. The plate screws onto the PCB, and then there's some stabilizers that come stock with it. As far as the switches that we're using today, we're using the Neapolitan ice cream switches. I really like these switches as they look really nice and they have a really nice feel to them. They're a tactile switch with not too heavy spring as well. And the keycaps that we're going to be using today are the Jasmine Tea Set by Drop.com. I purchased these because I really like the green aesthetic, and I felt it would go really well with the green aluminum case for the keyboard. And here's a test of what the keyboard sounds like stock. Now, the keyboard actually sounds kind of pingy and really hollow. I wasn't really a fan of the stock foam, so I decided that I'm going to switch out a lot of the foam. I'm going to keep the polycarbonate plate because I like the tone that that's giving. However, I think the foam is not doing a good enough job of kind of taking away a lot of those high ping frequencies. So opening it back up, I also decided I was going to replace the stabilizers as well. So we're using Duroc V2 stabilizers, which I'm lubing up with G Lube from Glorious, and it's okay, it's a pretty decent lube. Snapping them onto the PCB and then screwing them in. It doesn't really take too long to get everything in, and this time I'm going to be replacing the keyboard foam with the pour-on keyboard foam that they provide, and I'm going to be replacing the case foam with the pour-on foam that they provide as well. Once that's all done, snapping the stabilizers and screwing everything back in, we're going to just be placing the switches and keycaps back onto the keyboard, and yeah, let's just see how that sounds. So I hope you guys enjoyed this keyboard build. It's a pretty nice keyboard, to be perfectly honest. I think for a first time keyboard build for me, this was pretty nice. A few things that I wasn't really a fan of, even though the keyboard itself has south-facing LEDs, the LED light show can't really be customized, and it very much kind of stays with whatever it gives you. There's really not too many options. Other than that, it's not too bad. I think it sounds a little weird in some areas. However, I think for first build, I enjoyed it, and this will basically be my daily driver until I build my next keyboard. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.